Hey guys, welcome back to Foodzie, where we talk about food, health, and life. If you want to live a longer and healthier life, what you put on your plate could make a major difference. People often believe that failing eyesight is an inevitable result of aging or eye strain. In truth, a healthy lifestyle can significantly reduce the risk of eye health problems. Your eyesight is one of your most important senses. 80% of what we perceive comes through our sense of sight. By eating foods to protect your eyes, you will reduce the odds of blindness and vision loss while also staying on top of any developing eye diseases such as cataracts and glaucoma. Today we'll be talking about 8 top foods that help protect your eyes and repair vision. Grab your snacks and relax. Let's jump straight into the video. The first one are eggs. Eggs are a great food to eat for eye health. Eggs are a great source of vitamin C, E, and lutein. They also contain another carotenoid related to lutein, called zeaxanthin. When it comes to foods that help eyesight, eggs score well. Their combination of nutrients is optimal for fighting macular degeneration. Two, water. Keeping your body hydrated is essential for your good health, but hydration is equally important for your eyes. Drinking plenty of water on a daily basis can prevent your body and your eyes from becoming dehydrated. Dehydration is severely harmful to your eyes and your organs. If untreated, dehydration can lead to brain damage, seizures, and death. Staying hydrated requires you to drink plenty of water every day. Three, fish. Adding fish with healthy fats like salmon, tuna, and trout into your diet can help remedy dry eyes. Fatty fish are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids that can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Fish eyes are rich in nutrients that boost the development of gray matter. They stimulate production of brain cells and can help stave off memory loss. Four, carrots. The vitamins found in carrots can help promote overall eye health. Carrots contain beta-carotene, a substance that the body converts to vitamin A, an important nutrient for eye health. Carrots also contain lutein, an antioxidant. Foods rich in lutein have been found to increase pigment density in the macula. The greater pigment density in the macula, the better protected your retina is and the lower your risk for macular degeneration. Five, seeds. Seeds are the best sources of vitamin E and zinc. Besides, they are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial to the eyes. Seeds high in omega-3 include chia seeds, flax seeds, and hemp seeds. 6. Citrus fruits. Oranges and other citrus fruit contain vitamin C, which is key for eye health. The vitamin found in citrus fruits contributes to healthy blood vessels in your eyes. It can combat the development of cataracts and, in combination with other vitamins and nutrients, age-related macular degeneration. Beef. Beef has high levels of zinc, which is linked to long-term eye health. The protein from beef can be very beneficial to your eyesight. Beef is rich in vitamin A and zinc, both of which are beneficial to your cornea, the clear protective outer layer of the eye, and your retina. Sweet potatoes. Just like carrots, sweet potatoes are also rich with vitamin A and beta-carotene. Both of these nutrients are known to improve vision. They also help to prevent cataracts, macular degeneration, glaucoma, and dry eyes. Your body converts beta-carotene to vitamin A, a nutrient that helps prevent dry eyes and night blindness. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, comment and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time.